Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, a loaded geometry and a known coordinate system so your new plane aligns correctly. Once done, switch to the model tree and expand the geometry branch so you can see where to place the plane. Now, right-click on the plane's folder or use the Insert menu to add a reference plane. You do this because a reference plane anchors sketches and constraints. Make sure the plane's parent selections are clear before moving to positioning. You now define the plane's position and orientation. First, pick the plane type, offset for parallel, through point for exact coordinates, or normal to edge to align perpendicularly. Then select the reference geometry, face, edge, or a vertex. Choose two references if required. Enter numeric values for offset or angle. If you prefer, drag the on-screen widget for fine-tuning. This step matters because precise references prevent downstream assembly and meshing errors, so double-check selections before confirming. You finish by confirming and naming the plane so it's easy to find later. Visibility toggles help you inspect placement. Use measure to verify distance or angle relative to known features, and lock or freeze the plane if your workflow supports it. If things go wrong, planes not where expected, undo immediately, reselect clearer reference geometry, or use the transform/rotate tools to nudge the plane. One key troubleshooting tip: check for duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.